In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Sales Detail module. First, click on Viewing and Sales Detail. Next, fill in the information of the sales invoice or cash sales that you would like to search for in the search bars over here, such as the invoice number, customer, and so on and so forth. So let's say I wanted to search for sales that occurred in 2024. Well, I'll just go to the date ranges over here and type in 2024, January 1st, and to today. After that, I can click on search. As you can see, the system will return to me the list with sales that occurred in 2024 over here. Here in this list, you can see all the information about the sales invoice or cash sales, such as your customer code, customer name, the contacts, invoice numbers, the model, the item sold, so on and so forth. Now, if you want to edit information of a particular invoice, you can click on the invoice number over here, and it will bring you to the invoice edit page or cash sales edit page, depending on which one you clicked on. Going back here. Now, what if you wanted to edit which columns appear on this list and the order they appear in? Well, just go back to this search bar and turn on Personalize Column over here. Once you turn it on, you will be able to enable or disable certain columns by clicking on them, such as this. And you can also reorder them by dragging them around. After you're done doing so, you can go all the way down here and click on Update. And the system will update the list accordingly. Now you may have noticed an extra search bar over here. The main difference between this search bar down here and the big search bar up here is this search bar is more generic, or this is more specific. So let's say if I type in 12 here, the system will return to me all rows with 12 in any of their columns. Now, if I decided to search 12 in the invoice number tab over here and click on search, the system will only return to me invoice numbers with 12 in them. Other than that, you can also group the entries in the list by dragging the column header up here to this placeholder over here. And if I drag it here, the list will group by customer name. And if I want to create a subgroup, I can also drag another column header. So this will group by the customer name and their invoice numbers. You can also sort by ascending or descending by clicking on the arrows here in the column headers. And you can also filter the entries in this particular column by clicking on this icon. Finally, if you want to export this list into an Excel file, you can click on export over here and your browser will automatically download an Excel file. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.